Wala ba signal rin daw?
Ulo.
Just over to our right, we've got a nice example of a suspended hanging valley. That lovely waterfall flowing out of it is called Stirling Falls. We will be looking closely at that on the return leg of the journey. And dropping out of the hanging gardens to our left here we have some of our many temporary waterfalls. These are called the Four Sisters.
The falls sister daw.
On the last of these is a small bluff or headland which we call Copper Point, and if you do look carefully you'll see those green streaks running down the rock wall, found elsewhere in the area along with many other ores and minerals. The markings and patterns in those rocks showing also the pressures they were subjected to when quite a long time ago everything here was down beneath the Earth's surface while their mix baked and compressed. Only at the